Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, what are all the things that we do to make any project successful? Now the main thing is to making any project successful is the communication. We should have clear and transparent communication with the client, mention him all the things that we are doing, and basically the thing is that the client knows the business better than us. So they will be able to give us some inputs whether the quality of leads that they are getting, whether they are relevant or not, or what type of customer personas that we should have in terms of doing the targeting of the ad copies. So all these things along with setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and making sure that the conversion tracking is working 100%. So if we do all these things properly, then we should have a campaign that is very successful and that will be bringing us the results to the client, and the client will stay for longer time with us. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime